Hey guys, I'm Aaron Quine from Quine Racing and welcome to the DEI Garage. Today we show you unmatched line and hose protection for any racing application. When building your car, there are two things to concern yourself with: performance and safety. I've been on track with some of you. I'm not sure which comes first. With EXO Sleeve, line and hose protection, it doesn't really matter. Keeping vital fluids cool and electrical wires safe is what EXO Sleeve is designed for. EXO Sleeve is a high-temp braided glass fiber material woven into a sleeve, then heavily coated in 100% silicone rubber. If that's not enough, the entire sleeve then gets a stainless steel exoskeleton. This creates an air gap that gives it unmatched insulation capabilities and abrasion resistance. EXO Sleeve is perfect for protecting wires, hoses, oil lines, brake, and transmission lines. It's available both in 3/8 inch and 1 inch inside diameters in 3-foot lengths. Let us know if you have any questions or comments about DEI's EXO Sleeve. And for more information on all DEI products, check out our website, designengineering.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product and installation videos and follow us on all of our social media pages. So until next time, I'm Aaron, and remember to stay cool and comfortable with DEI heat and sound control products.